Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see two company from Konegranes and next one will be Jumbotail. So this all the two companies started their hiring for freshers. I am going to explain fully, so watch the video till end. If you are not, just subscribe to my channel, just subscribe, then only you may get a more update from my channel. And the first one will be training data migration from location Pune Pan India. They are mentioning experience will be 0 to 2 years, location SAP city Pune, person's responsibility, core value, core contact and planning, execution, handling, requesting to the accommodate environment, development into the healthy, competitors and skill required, basic knowledge, SQL, good communication, productive, self-motivated. And the qualification will be BE, BTech, IT, computer, mechanical, MC, good technical ground with professional experience, disabled, excellent written and spoken English, ability to work and communicate effectively with the global disturbed rhythm. We offer insight to work class global IT delivery, work and life balance, innovative and dynamic working environment, support on excellent global core and IT support they are mentioning. So you can start apply now itself, just to create account in Konegranes and start training data migration engineering work. So good opportunity for those who are looking for a good core company, they can apply. And next one will be Jumbotail for category management. This is all about their company website, and the good skill communication will be solid knowledge on category management, understanding of data analysis, understanding of analytic, excellent communication, SQL. This all they're mentioning. Role on the category management at Jumbotail, they are providing product based company, so you can apply directly to that. If you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. You can apply here and create account. You can visit the website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and everything. Without knowledge only you are getting a more hike and more CTC in your career. So just apply, just give your own truth words and you may get a job. Thanks for watching this channel.